Alright, what's good with y'all? Looking a little crazy. Motherfucking acne hidden, but you see the Civic. Yeah, I know y'all missed that, but unfortunately, what we're gonna get into today is gonna be a little bit unfortunate, but it's gonna be for the better. And I only say unfortunate just because the car does look pretty good, and a lot of people like the kit. I do too. Maybe I'm gonna regret this. I don't know, but I feel like it's time to switch it up a little bit, and I've just kind of been tired of having to take off my kits, put the car in the garage. So we're gonna be selling the side skirts. If you guys don't know, these are charge speed style side skirts, and also I'm gonna be selling my front lip as well. So hopefully, yeah, we can run something different, and it'll look just as good, if not better. So let's get these off real quick. All right, so we got the side skirts and the front lip off. It looks super naked without the side skirts, but I'm gonna be going back to the old style side skirts that I had, which were custom DIY, and I think they still look good. I just kind of hate that now that like the kit was cool, it looks nice, but I just got kind of bored of it, and it wasn't that low. And given the fact, you know, we got the Swift springs in the front and whatnot, to be able to go lower, and I already cut my strut towers, might as well, you know, go lower. I kind of miss scraping shit, and this thing sits pretty high. Plus I paid to get my exhaust fabbed up for that exact reason, and we're gonna be throwing the blast flies back on this car soon. Hopefully that's maybe in this video or maybe not, but yeah, let's get these loaded in the Lexus. That way we can meet up with the homie. You guys seen him, the homie Gus, with the silver coupe. This is gonna look sick on his car. And yeah, shit, we just pulled up a homie Gus. Damn, it already looks better. That's gonna look sick, bro. Check this shit out. What the hell? Dude, that's crazy, huh?
Shit, we about to pull up on the homie right now. Hopefully we get these wheels for the IS Z stocks. I've been wanting these. Hopefully we get them. Let's get it. Let's see. Alright, so we did check out the wheels, and we think we'll get them for a good deal. Hopefully they look sick. I just seen another IS on the same wheels earlier today on Instagram, so hopefully they look dope. Obviously I'm gonna show you guys when we install them. But right now we're gonna head to a meet close by. It's a like an importer from Japan is coming into Vegas, and he's gonna throw a little meet. So hopefully there's a bunch of cool cars and stuff like that. Hopefully some of the homies are there. So yeah, we're just gonna get into that. That shit wet. That shit's wet. Alright, so I think we left off at the meet. Hope you guys like that. A bunch of dope ass whips, just as usual. So yeah, I didn't show y'all the wheels, but right now we are on the way to check out the potential new wheels for the IS300. Kind of already made a deal, so I'm not sure why I'm saying potential, but hopefully I'll fuck with them. It's nothing crazy, but I've been wanting these type of wheels, and yeah, we'll see what we get into. Like I said, it ain't a crazy wheel or anything like that, but it is a pretty dope wheel, and it is a wheel I've been wanting. Y'all will see it, but I've been wanting this wheel since I had the RSX, since I've had a car that was 5x114. I've been wanting this wheel. Never got this wheel, and even when I had the red IS, I wanted this wheel, and now this wheel popped up again, and it's chrome, so I can't pass it up. I've been wanting this wheel, might as well just make it happen, and it's a good deal, I think so. And yeah, so I'll let y'all know when we get there.
What shoes you got?
It is Mike shit. Shit hard. You know that shit stinks.
Yeah, 40 is perfect.
These are 42.
That's what I'm running.
Oh, actually, these are 45.
Yeah. They're 45.
Those, and then the fronts are 40.
These are gonna go hard.
The fronts are 40, so it's like staggered. But it's remember this clapped ass G35 we wrapped on channel. Nah, just fine. Nah, but these the wheels we finna get though. Let me know what y'all thinking. This is Juan approved right here, bro. Damn, bro. I'm trying to be like Brian, bro. You got free mechanics working on this shit.
That's for shit, bro.
Sheesh.
I'm not 15. I got privilege, so.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I did not think that these wheels were gonna look as good as they do, and they do. So this was a good investment right here.
You could have paid $550.
But instead we paid $500 with the help of everyone watching.
You gotta make a montage now, ASAP.
That's what I've been waiting for, bro. Fuck these goof ass wheels.
Finally got some real wheels, man.
Not that ass. I ain't gonna lie, that this side look wet, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Damn! How we looking?
How we looking? We took it?
I think it's hitting. Oh, it's hitting.
It's hitting because of the toe, though.
Nah, it's hella hitting.
It's hitting because of the toe.
Wait, go up again, fool?
Cause
You think so?
yeah, cause once your toe
Straight?
positive, it all like go this way. You know what I mean? Cause right now it's like this, so it'll be.
It needs more tilt or some shit. Look. Go ahead.
You not the rat, bro.
That's good.
Not
Go ahead.
right.
Keep going, keep going. Why the other side clear better?
Cause it's the toe, fool.
It's your toe.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause it's literally the wheel's literally like this.
And the tilt, I need camber arms too. If that shit was a little bit smaller tire, oh, well, I guess we could throw the other ones, huh? But
It
these,
was away because I had a blowout on one of them, and then the other one I just sold it to the Antera. I ain't gonna care.
did you actually buy that shit?
So what are we gonna do?
I guess we're gonna throw the front on the rear. And hopefully it works, right?
I think it'll work.
You think?
I think it'll work.
front's gonna work? Fine.
No, it's a 240s.
Then why would you put the 40? You should have put this 25 in the rear.
But shouldn't the bigger one fit in the rear? Right.
Shit, I don't know. I don't know about fitment. Juan knows fitment.
Well, they are bigger.
They're bigger, huh?
Yeah.
And they got this big ass lip right here.
I would probably run 225.
Yeah.
The 245s are pretty big.
Like the 225 on these.
Put the two. Put the.
The 220. Yeah, the other one's gonna fit for sure. I just swapped those two fronts. What's this?
220.
Yeah.
Daily customer.
Yeah, look how it's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You don't think so?
That looks good though. That looks good. Nah,
I mean, just do one
I need a
side.
225.
Just
Look
try-
right there. I can add when I get my alignment, I can add a 5 mil and then get camber arms and throw 2 at that bitch.
Yeah, I don't understand fitment, but whatever Rudy just said.
I mean, you can try one.
Hey, this shit looks gas.
You could swap these.
But
Yeah,
they're kind of old though. They're kind of old. They're not even.
Bro, Rudy, what the fuck is on your shirt?
So what we gonna do?
Alright, what are we
I
doing?
think we're gonna have Brian go back to the tire shop so he can swap these.
Hell no, I'm not paying another $40 to solve tires.
$40 right now?
Yeah. Cause steel.
Alright, so mind you, it's 6 in the morning, bro. Last night I seen a homie junior sliding, D-beated, right tire blew out. I was like, poor guy, right? Well, this morning, oh look, and here the wheels at. Here's the reveal of the wheels. Anyways, on the way home, 6 in the morning, and tire blew out. Hopefully it didn't damage the wheel. I doubt it. It was kind of, I mean, it didn't blow, but I felt it weird. So it's popped. Last night I already ordered a new set of tires for all 4 because these are too big and I keep revving. So I ordered smaller tires. Anyways, blowout on the way home from the inside. I'll show y'all when we take it off. Hopefully I didn't damage the wheel. Hopefully I didn't damage the wheel. Some kid passed by, he said, nice car, bro. I'm like, yeah, nice if it wasn't fucking flat. Hopefully this jack that I got fits, but let's see. And just like that, we are on the way to our destination with the spare, aka the old wheels. Luckily we still got them. Shout out bro trying to help me out, but that is a big tire that I just threw on, bro. 225 45 sidewall. She's gonna rub like crazy, but let's just try to make it home. We learned a lot of lessons here. One, make sure your car has a spare. I have a spare.
It's an IS stock that I just realized I had, and it's flat. So whoever the fuck had this car before, fuck you for not replacing it. And 2, always make sure you got the right tools to take off your lug nuts and a jack. And 3, make sure you guys check your tires. Yeah, I ordered my tires yesterday, but I should have known better, right? But fuck it, it is what it is. Fuck it, we ball. It is what it is, we on the way. Sometimes things have to happen. Things happen for a reason. Pretty glad that it didn't happen on the freeway or anything like that. So it happened the best way possible. We're on the road. Let's rub our way home because that shit's gonna road for sure. And yeah, let's go. Is not what I wanted to, so I ended up running a full set 21540s. This should be the cheat code. So now running 22540s. It was still rubbing. 215 should be a good stretch. 205 would be way too small, but this is what I went with. Just some eBay brand, whatever. They'll work. They're brand new. And yeah, tire places nowadays, bro, they're charging like 60 a used tire, and they be trash. So might as well just get new ones. So yeah, we're gonna head to the homie Adrian. We're gonna be flopped out. When it rains here, it rains and always floods. Super annoying. Anyways, right now, as y'all see in the background, we got the tires loaded up. We headed on the way to the homie Adrian. Actually, to one of my old jobs. The homie still works there at Toyota, and he's gonna mount the tires for me. Ooh, bro, it's clapped. Oh hell no. Luckily, we not so fucking static, but bro, it's fucking flooded. And bro just wet my whole fucking car, motherfucker. At least we getting a free car wash though. But anyways, yeah, we on the way. Yeah, hopefully let's just get there safely, and yeah, I'm excited to get, bro, nothing feels better than a fresh set of tires, bro. You got the confidence, for 1, of driving your car anywhere without, having to worry about something happening. And 2 is just you got that extra grip, and I don't know, it just hits different. We're gonna have the new wheels. That way we got the smaller tire. That way we're gonna have some stretch. That way we can dial in this femming, because I've been looking at the car and it's not hitting the same. It's not as low as I want it to be. I don't want to dump it on its nuts. I just still want it to be tucking. Since these are 18s, I'm pretty sure I can just tuck them. I don't have any arms. I just have coilovers, so that's also a limiting factor. But I feel like the spec of wheel that I got, they're by 8. I'm pretty sure with this tire I can still get a decent fitment and still possibly run like a 5mm spacer to get it even tighter. As long as we don't rub, that's all that matters. But yeah, let's get there safely. And if you're like me, bro, I'm not even lying to y'all, bro. Look at this. It's crazy. We literally so we still on the homie Adrian. He about to get me right. Shout out, bro. We got all 4 brand new. We're gonna be sitting cleaner than we are and get that fitment right. Shit looks hard. Dude, if you got a dope whip, bro, or whatever, let somebody else drive it so you can see it, bro. That shit's crazy. It hits different when somebody else is driving it. Like, you can actually see it. It's just wet as fuck. Not been here in a minute, but it's been raining the past week. Gonna go link up with the homie Adrian once again, because we got this tire still leaking from the beach, so we're gonna have some bead seal on that. And then so right now we're just gonna wash it. So this thing is filthy and we can't be rolling around like this. It is dirty, bro. Yeah, definitely not. So let's get it washed. Boom, just like that. Motherfucker gleaming. It's just clean. Let's dry this bitch up and let's head back to Adrian so we can see that tire. Shit did not want to turn on right now, but we got a full set. I'm about to show y'all right now. I didn't show y'all in there. I should have, but we was yapping for a minute. But let's just say the car looks way better now. Let's get it. All right, so y'all seen we were working on the IS. I showed you guys this a little bit earlier in the video, but the only thing stopping us from driving this thing, bro, and mobbing out, it's literally fixing this piece broke. Might have my homie, I might drop it off to the homie so he could weld it tonight. That way it could be good for tomorrow. Car looks not as good. I'm waiting for my new front lip to come in the mail, and then I need to make my DIY side skirts again. I know the kit really looked good. I'm still gonna be running the IS rear lip. The kit looked good. I just got really tired of being kit low, and just, it wasn't satisfying me. So I'm gonna go with a different front lip, different side skirts, and I'm gonna lower the car more, because I used to be way lower than this, and honestly, we kind of monster trunking, so I'm kind of over that. We're gonna remove the wing. I'm gonna run the wingless for a good minute. I kind of like it better, so let's go ahead and start taking off this wing right now, actually. Just like that, we got the wing off. Looks way better. I mean, in my opinion, I just got tired of it. I get tired of running the same shit, and just for some reason, the car just wasn't hitting. And it's weird because I've always dreamed of having it boosted, so I'm not understanding why I feel that way towards this car. I love this car. I don't think I'll ever let go of this car. But you see the ride height without the kit, bro? Monster truck. And so that way we're gonna go on a less aggressive kit. I'm still gonna run the same rear lip. Probably gonna break it or drag it, but it'll be fine. Yeah, that front lip and side skirts were a little bit too aggressive for my liking on these 15s, because these are 15s. If I was on 16s or 17s, it'd be better. I mean, get me wrong, there was nothing really wrong with the kit. I just didn't really like the fitment, you know, and to go lower, I just really couldn't. So yeah, so hopefully we get this fixed soon, probably like in the coming days, because I miss driving this car, and I know you guys miss this car as well. I've been working on the IS nonstop, but that thing looks fucking sick too, if you guys been here since IS as well. But yeah, we got everything blown up. It's just that little piece that it was causing me to have a fuel leak. That's literally all. And yeah, we went back to open dump straight to the floor, which is better for me. So that way, yeah. So I just got a text. Let's see. I went ahead and went and dropped that piece off to the homie so he could weld it. Hopefully, you know, he can weld it. He was telling me that the piece was like steel and aluminum. You can't weld them together. So hopefully he can make it work. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. I'm not sure. So yeah, y'all still got the coupe behind us. It's gonna make a comeback. Like I said, new skirts, new front lid. We gotta throw that on, fix the fitment, fix that fuel leak, and then this thing's outside again. Y'all seen? I didn't really show you guys a walk around the new wheels, but we got the 350Z anniversary Z stocks. The chrome, those bitches are hard, but I love them. I love the way the IS are just coming out. I love the way the Civic's looking. You know, I like this color better though. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm just very grateful to have both. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the crib, edit this video for y'all. That way, you know, y'all got something to watch today. And plus I got a lot more content coming, so I just want to, you know, get this video out because I got a lot of content coming. Like I said, more installs for the IS300, and then obviously Civic's back outside because, you know, we got that hoodie season. We'll be dropping a hoodie soon. Stay tuned for that. Appreciate everybody that supported the last drop. I appreciate that so much, so we're gonna keep running it up. Let's get it.